To trigger alarms to relay with our recorder on, we come to the bottom corner of the screen. We click on Setup. Now, we can either trigger an output relay for things like motion, or we could do that for AI. Let's start with motion, which is under Alarm. Clicking on Alarm and going to Motion. Now, you see the different cameras which are online. The second column here is the alarm out. Let's say we want to trigger the alarm out for channel 2. We'll come to channel 2. Click on the gear icon under Alarm Out. If you don't have options like this, it means you don't have an external siren or relay connected. You need to make sure you have it connected. We have our external siren connected to our cameras. This is why we can see these options when we click on Alarm Out. I'll just go ahead and click on Apply. Now, whenever channel 2 detects a motion, the siren that we just connected to it is going to go off. This is how to trigger an alarm for motion. Now, if I wanted to do the same thing but with an AI feature, all I need to do is go to AI. Before we move to the AI features, you need to note something. It's not just about setting the alarm out to the particular alarm out you want. You need to also make sure that the alarm schedule is correct for the time period when you want the detection to take place. For example, let's confirm our alarm schedule, which is this one here. You can see that, for the alarm schedule, Alarm Out, we have it turned on for the entire day, 7 days a week. Let's say we just want to trigger the alarm out for motion at a particular time, say during the night from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. and also between 6 p.m. up until 11:59 p.m., which basically means we don't want the middle, which is shown in black, for any motion to be triggered or any alarm to go off. Once we're done making the necessary adjustments, click on Apply. If you set the alarm out and nothing happens, you need to confirm the alarm schedule to make sure it is set properly. Now, going back to the AI, if you come to AI, you can set the alarm out for different things. Let's say we want to set the alarm out for when we detect human and vehicle on channel 2. We first need to turn on that AI detection feature on channel 2 by clicking on the switch and clicking on Apply for the settings to be saved. You can set the parameters however you want. One important thing to note here is that it's not just all about setting this. You need to also come to the third menu here, which is Alarm, and also assign the alarm out to that channel. If you go back to Setup, we set face detection for channel 2. We've turned on the switch and confirm it is active, that channel 2 can detect human and vehicle. Now, come back to the alarm menu. We need to also scroll to Human and Vehicle Detection, go to Channel 2, Alarm Out and then set it. After that, click on Apply. Now, when a human or vehicle is detected by that camera, using the schedule we already set here, it is going to get triggered. This is how to trigger the alarm to relay.